I had this pretty good factory raid, and I wanted to show how repositioning throughout a fight can really give you the upper hand and help you win more fights. At this point in the fight, I found myself on top of these barrels. You can see the people I'm fighting here don't know exactly where I am, so that's the whole key in repositioning. And there's a scav over there that's shot me. You can see my chest. And he's trying to figure out where I am, and I happen to be in just a better spot that's kind of hidden, so he can't see me. And then I hear somebody behind me. And I know there's somebody in there, like, still, because at the beginning of the fight, I saw two people run into that room. And so I'm going to I'm a pretty aggressive player, so I'm going to push him and try to see if I can get him to come out to me. You never want to push through a door. Then I hear somebody else come up on me. Yeah. And then I hear the door open to my left, and it's like, oh shit. Time to move. And so you don't want to be in a position where you're between two people. And so this is the whole point of moving to the other side. I think a headshot on him. And then this last guy missed my shot. I can't get a good shot. He has a better angle than I do. And so I'm going to move again. This is probably overkill, but this is the way I play, is just wide flanks. Back to the original guy I killed. See if he had anything helpful for me. Sure if he could see me there, so I tried to get it into a better spot. And then so I'm repositioning again, and this is, you just keep moving. And so I've done a giant circle around him, and he's still in his one area. But you'll see here in a second, he's not even looking at me at this point. Yep, looking over to that scav. I get 2 free shots, and I take him out. And then there's 2 dead bodies, the one I killed and one they killed, so then I know everybody on the map is dead. So I thought this was a good example of repositioning and why it's so useful and helpful. In early wipe, you can really take advantage of this when you're not dying instantly from head-eyes, low recoil guns.